Today I wanted to walk through Dollar Tree and share with you some of my favorite must-haves and some of my favorite aisles and items that I highly recommend you take a look through your local Dollar Tree to save yourself some money. Sometimes you can really put something beautiful together on a budget, not only crafts or DIYs, but also everyday purchases. And I just really wanted to take some time to go through the Dollar Tree to share with you the must-haves from Dollar Tree, items that you should purchase, items that you should spend your money on. Of course, there's an abundance of things at Dollar Tree, and I couldn't put it all into one video, but every once in a while, every few months, I give you one of these so that you can kind of keep a lookout for great items at a great price. I always shop with you and I share with you all the new hot items. Sometimes things are not really worth it. However, this video is definitely my recommendations, things to look out for at the Dollar Tree, things to save your money on when you go shopping at Dollar Tree. I'd love to hear from you guys down in the comments below, some of the things that you normally buy from Dollar Tree that you stock up on regularly, that you highly recommend, or that you don't, things that just don't work out, they're not worth your money. We've all had those items as well. Maybe I'll do a video like that. And, I hope you enjoy walking around the Dollar Tree and seeing all the great things to buy.
I highly recommend their succulents and also their floral for making wreaths or for placing in vases, home decor, anything like that. You will find a wonderful variety at Dollar Tree in their floral section, and also keep in mind that they do change out seasonally. So in the spring you'll have a variety, summer, fall, and in the winter. So keep an eye out for your floral section for some pretty options. Another must-have from the Dollar Tree are the fairy garden items. They are constantly coming out with cute themes, and they have such wonderful bright colors, some that are more neutral. So if you're into creating fairy gardens, highly recommend checking out their garden section. They do have the cutest options. You should always check out their placemats. They do come out seasonally with different prints, and they're 2 layers, so they're wonderful for making DIY pillows. I have shared how to do that on the channel before. They're easy to wash as well. The craft aisle is one of my favorite aisles in Dollar Tree. So whenever I take you guys shopping with me, I always walk down here. They have wonderful tools and items to make your crafting sessions so much easier, and also you can craft on a budget. So highly recommend checking out all of the items that they have down their craft aisle. They have jewelry making kits or beads, just a ton of material to pretty much do anything that your little imagination can come up with. I highly recommend checking out the Dollar Tree's craft aisle. You should definitely, if you can, purchase one of their card making kits, just some blank envelopes and cards, and then playing around with their stickers. They have a variety of stickers. You can make beautiful birthday cards and just different themed cards for the holidays, or even with your children if you enjoy doing something. They have a huge selection of stickers, and they're very good quality, so you can have a lot of fun. Also, they have wall stickers, so you can use this for crafting making your own signs or also decorating your home, you should always check out their new signs because they always have something new and fun for your home decor. If you need party supplies, check out this aisle. They always have new items coming out all the time. So the nice thing is you can put together a beautiful themed party on a budget along with their balloons. I've always had really great luck with them. They have streamers, regular balloons, the blow up foil balloons. They're not helium, but you can also hang them from a string and make them look like they're floating. Their candles are always been great for us. We've never had any problems at all with them either. Another aisle that I absolutely love checking out is the gift bag aisle, like wrapping paper and bows. But seasonally, they come out with these beautiful gift tissue packages. As you can see here, they have some really nice patterns and they're wonderful for changing up your storage at home. If you have an old box, you can decoupage tissue. You can even use their napkins for that. Now, keep in mind you can use the gift tissue, of course, to stuff into one of their beautiful bags, and they have a great selection of gift bags, so you can have a nice packaged gift on a budget as well using the Dollar Tree items. If you need filler for vases or for giant bows, definitely take a look in. It's kind of like their wreath making floral section. They have ribbon and these beautiful flowers and greenery and moss and floral foam. So don't pass up the opportunity to check out this section if you are looking to fill a little corner of your home or a bowl or a vase. They have wonderful options and also some great crafting material to do your own DIYs. They have wreaths, wire forms, foam forms, just a ton of things for crafting as well. And this is usually separate from the sticker and craft material. It's another aisle with, they have fabric and, as you can see here, a wreath form that's moss. Just wonderful items. One other aisle that you should always check is the stationery. You'd be surprised to find wonderful brand named items at the Dollar Tree. Post-it notes, any of your packaging stuff for shipping. You can find wonderful paper mate and zebra pens, all on a budget for your home office or even your work office. So you should always check out the stationery. You'd be surprised at what you'll find there. So some towels I do not recommend are these ones here with the heavy prints, or the microfiber are not my favorite. However, if you want to try out one of their 100% cotton tea towels, these here are absorbent. After a few washes, they're just wonderful. Also, their bar towels are really great, but these are my favorite from them. At Dollar Tree, you will find a variety of bath sponges, and some of them are better quality than others. These here on the little plastic handle and on the wooden handle are really nice quality versus some others, but I do highly recommend if you need a new bath sponge or scrunchie, these are awesome. I always check out their clothing. Sometimes they get a nice amount of bulk supply, and Gildan t-shirts will arrive at Dollar Tree. However, just be mindful and take a quick look over the t-shirt while you're in store, or the shirt, because there might be a pinhole or something like that. But for the most part, the quality is always there. Also, another favorite aisle of mine is the storage containers. My top recommendation are their clear acrylic or plastic-like containers, wonderful for storing items, loose bits and pieces in your craft room or in drawers. They have some like this with the lid. You can put cotton swabs in them and Q-tips, all sorts of stuff. They also have little 3 divided ones like these here, and they have a lid as well, awesome for little trinkets and elastic bands or thumbtacks, those types of things. But yeah, definitely take a look in your storage area, because they always have some organization tools to keep things neat and tidy in your home. In the spring, you'll find that they have pastel-like colors, these softer colored containers, which are perfect for under your sink storage, and then sometimes they'll have brighter ones as well. I have seen some people use these cute floral tins, or even just plain tin, to keep their hygiene products on a shelf or something like this in their bathroom, and it looks really nice. Another favorite aisle of mine, or end cap, is take a look at the food aisle, because they have overstock sometimes. Things or companies will change their packaging, or something is coming up closer to an expiry, and they'll kind of dump them off with Dollar Tree as a supplier. So I love checking out these things, and sometimes trying a new item I would have bought for a lot more at a local grocery store. If you enjoy baking, I do like making things with the kids, so I love buying sprinkles from the Dollar Tree. They have a change over the seasons, so sometimes they'll have the Christmas ones and Easter and summer and spring. So keep an eye out, because you will get lucky and find some beautiful sprinkle options for cake decorating, cupcake, cake pops, all sorts of stuff. With cake making, if you do make cakes, in the toy aisle you'll find these little, I guess, novelty toys, and they're wonderful for cake toppers, and usually there's always something new. So if there's a theme that you're after, take a look in the toy department. You'll find some of the cutest little novelty toys. And my final tip for must-haves from the Dollar Tree are, every season they'll come out with different items, and it could be home decor that's already finished or items for DIYs. So you want to take a look about 2 months in advance, sometimes even 3, for Easter, for spring, winter, Christmas, fall, all of the things. So I hope that this video helps you, and that you are inspired to check out your local Dollar Tree for fun items. And until next time, everyone, bye for now.